Hello, welcome back to another episode of The Practical Camper. On this episode, we went to www.whoop.com and ordered a bag of crap. They shipped it in a box, and we're going to unopen it and see what's inside. It's supposed to be camping themed and will be full of things that we can use on the trail. I've received lots of comments about my skills in unboxing videos. I purposely chose not to demonstrate my toilet usage, but we may demonstrate some of the items in this box. We'll see what we have we'll take on our next camping trip. We're just going to start off with a bag. This bag has monkeys on it. And a monkey. That's cool. Then we have something that's an Amazon Basics armband for iPhone 6 Plus and iPhone 6S Plus. That's pretty cool. Maybe we'll do a giveaway. Oh, let's see what this thing is. Looks like a grenade. You probably have to have a special license to ship these. I hope it's dead. Oh, yeah. Let's see here. It is the Megablox Halo grenade. This will be fun to throw into someone else's campsite at 2 in the morning when they're sitting around the fire. That'll be fun. Here we go. Here's a light switch. No. This is something that you stick on the end of a fluorescent light, those tube lights, and then you twist the light. So here's a battery-powered directional LED light. That's pretty fancy. A command hook. Oh, cool. Galaxy S7 case. So if you have a phone from like 2005, I have a case for it now. Oh my. A badge holder. We got to see what this is. Amazon Basics badge holder. Holy cow. It's about 100 of those little clear plastic ID holders. So I guess for each of my different disguises, I can have them ready to go on a big keychain and, show people different badges. Oh, cool. More fire starter. Oh, good. Another light piece so that now I have one for each end of the fluorescent bulb. We're hoping for that. Some googly eyes. These are always a campfire favorite. A giant clamp. You can either work out around the campfire, or what's really fun to do is if you have a friend that's around the campfire, you sneak up behind them and stick this on their ear and then hope that they don't jump in the campfire. Try that one at home. A Lego mask. So that if you're like TPing someone else's campsite, they won't see who you are. Just don't wear your badge at the same time. This is pretty handy. Got some quick grip clamps. That way, as we build the bus, we can clamp things down, or when the bus breaks on the side of the road, we can clamp it back together. Got another, man, these are pretty good. Get that workout around the campfire. 2-pack multi-purpose touch light. I'm not sure what the other purpose would be other than light, unless it's just touching, but that seems kind of creepy. Oh, ooh. My favorite, a pedicure set that's opened. Here's the back. So somebody probably bought this and returned it after they didn't like it a whole lot, but you bet I'll use that little pumice stone around the campfire. Nothing says howdy neighbor like sitting outside giving yourself a pedicure. Another fluorescent light piece. Another fluorescent light piece. We've got a whole set now. And finally, a dolly. I can put my cooler on this thing and slide it all the way down the campsite. And when somebody else needs, something out of the cooler, you just put it and push it and off it goes. So anyway, this is the bag of goodies that we got from Whoop.com and their bag of crap. I hope you'll join us next episode as we take this all camping and have some fun. Until we see you next time, happy trails and thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you later.